Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. Glad to see you here. Hope you're having a great day or day of choice. I hope that life is treating you better than it's treating other people. I hope you get preferential life treatment. Today, we're unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag. No, it's not. It's a Boxycharm, an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And this is from... I've got two accounts, and I forgot to cancel one of them because of the snafu with the icon box last month. So I ordered my Boxycharm from a different account because I wasn't getting it from the other account. So now I've got two of them this month, and they're different, and I had different choices, and I had different add-on options. So we're gonna see what we have in here. I got to choose three of the things in here, but I don't remember the whole thing, so it's heavy. And it looks like this and this, and there's a card, but it won't tell me anything. Poop. It just says, true colors, the hues that surround yourself can play a big role in your emotions. And it tells you different colors make you feel different ways. If you're really interested in that, sorry, I'm not. All right, let's get in here. So the first thing I've got is from, ooh, this is what's really heavy. It is Dew of the Gods Ultra Tonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner. And it is sealed in the box. I'm not gonna open it, but Dew of the Gods makes lots of affordable skincare things, and that's pretty good. Then I have from Juice Beauty. I just got something from Juice Beauty. Somewhere in a box. I can't remember. I can't remember. But this is the Stem Cellular Resurfacing Micro Exfoliant, and it's a micro scrub. So that's always good. Juice Beauty is a great brand. Then we have Tattoo Pencil Eyeliner from KVD, and this is in purple, Onyx Purple. And I did choose this because I like colorful eyeliners. And it is really low. I guess I'm supposed to sharpen that. Oh no, it twists. Thank goodness it twists. All right. Yay, it's a twist up. We love a twist up pencil. Very nice. I don't have a lot of purple eyeliners, so that'll be nice. Then I have from Volition Golden Eye Brightening Serum with vitamin C and niacinamide. And who doesn't love an eye brightening serum? Because I know my eyes need to be bright all the time. And this is an adorable little package. And I'm not familiar with this brand, but I think I got this in my other Ipsy box as well. And then last but not least, we have the Sakura Blossom from Violet Voss. It's a palette, obviously, and it's sealed for our protection. This was a lot cooler when I had a card that told me more about stuff. It was cooler when a man named Brady used to give us cards that told us all about our stuff. Now I have really short videos that make no sense. But this is a really beautiful pink palette with some neutrals. It's very pretty. I know it'll make lots of great looks. Am I going to keep it? Probably not. Is it going on my Macari? Probably. It is lovely. And I'm sure somebody would love to make that their own for a reasonable price. So I will have to dig out my Macari link so you can see what I have on there. I have a lot of really good stuff at good prices. I'm very fair. but I try to make a buck at the same time. So, a beautiful palette, and Violet Voss is a good name for, you know, brand for palettes. And we've got the Volition Eye Serum, and we got the Juice Beauty Exfoliant, the toner, and I might give this a chance because I don't have like a toner that I'm using right now, and that might be really nice. And then the KVD purple eyeliner. So for about 30 bucks is what it runs now a month. I definitely got my money's worth. Absolutely, 100%. It's a pretty good box. Is it a bunch of stuff that I'll use? Maybe. I don't know. I'm feeling kind of coy. I don't know. Will I use it? Anyway, thanks for being with me while I open this box. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.